Hello, my name is Randy Dobson. I'm an instructor here in the Houston, Texas area, and this video will be covering the PolySolid in AutoCAD. Uh, it is a 3D command located right up here, and a little different. Normally, if you want to say make a solid, and I've done some things over here, I'll come to those in a minute. But if I start a polyline and I draw a polyline across like this and close it, if I extrude this and make it mode of a surface and I do this, okay, now I can come to, but if you hover over it, you'll notice it says surface extrusion. Okay, so it's kind of yes and no, that it's not a 3D solid. To where a polysolid is, it combines, you're drawing a polyline, and as you can see in this example, it gives you a height also. So I'm going to set the height at 10. Now when I draw this polyline, it already has a height on it. Now notice that when I hit C for close, if I hover over it, it says a 3D solid. Now I can come over here and select this, hit CH for change, and it should, but I guess it doesn't let me do that here. I was thinking it would let me change it, but obviously it won't. Here I can move it up, and you've got your grips on here that you can change the angles of it, but it does make a solid object. Whereas I go polysolid and go height, let's go 30, and let's go a width of 5. Now you're going to see something. It's probably easier to see it from this angle right here. I'm just going to hit enter. So it made this 20 tall. Let me see if I can get a better view of that. There we go. So the width of this is 5. Say this is a wall. The width of it is 5 and the height of it is 20. So, and again, even though it's not closed, it is still a solid object. I can always just grab that, and I should be able to, just with that grip, come over here and type in END and close that together like that. But it takes a combination of taking a polyline and going ahead and giving it height and width. I could come over here to PolySolid, give it a height of 20 and say a width of 50, and it's going to be a short fat line, as you can see. Let me just hit enter. So now the height, I believe I did it at, was 20, and the width is 50. So again, this is something that you can use to create some solid objects, again, maybe to start with. The one thing with working in 3D, you want to have as many tools as you can. I mean, I could literally just go PolySolid, a height of 20, a width of 20, start it here with my ortho on and type in 20, and there I have a 20 by 20 box, which is the same as doing this box over here. Do it as a cube and do it as 20. There we go, same thing. Okay, this just depends on which one you want to get used to, which one you feel more comfortable with, but I can use a PolySolid to create a box if I want to. So these are just things to remember when you're going through these commands. And the PolySolid, again, is just a polyline where you can put the width and the height on it, and it's a nice little command, very useful. And that concludes my video on PolySolid. Thank you.